Replacing windows in your West Columbia home can be an exciting project that enhances your home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. However, one common question homeowners have is, how long does window replacement take? The timeline for window installation can vary based on several factors, such as the number of windows being replaced, the type of windows chosen, the condition of your home's existing window frames, and the experience of the installation team. In this article, we will walk you through the key factors that affect the window replacement process in West Columbia and give you an idea of what to expect during your project. Type and number of windows. The size and number of windows you plan to replace will play a significant role in how long the installation process takes. Here's a general breakdown of what you can expect based on the type of window. Standard windows. If you're replacing basic double-hung or casement windows, the installation typically takes less time compared to more complex window designs. Standard windows are easier to install, and a professional installer can often replace multiple windows in a day. Custom windows. If you've opted for custom-sized windows or more elaborate window styles like bay windows, picture windows, or arched windows, the installation process may take longer. Custom windows need to be specially ordered, which can add time to the project. The number of windows being replaced also impacts the timeline. Replacing a single window in one room may only take a few hours, while replacing windows throughout your entire home could take multiple days. Preparation and ordering process. Before the installation process begins, there are a few important steps that can affect the timeline. Choosing and ordering windows. If you are replacing your windows with custom or high-performance windows, it can take several weeks for the manufacturer to produce and ship them. On average, you can expect a waiting period of 4 to 6 weeks for custom windows. However, standard windows may be available in stock or take just a few days to arrive. Preparation and measurements. Once you've chosen your windows, a professional installer will need to take precise measurements of each opening to ensure a proper fit. This step typically takes a few hours, but it's crucial to ensure the windows are installed correctly. Make sure to discuss the timing for ordering windows with your installation company so you can set proper expectations for the project's timeline. Installation time. The actual installation of the windows typically takes 1 to 3 hours per window, depending on the complexity of the installation. Here's an idea of what you can expect. Single window installations. For a standard single-hung or double-hung window, an experienced installer can usually replace one window within 1 to 2 hours. This process involves removing the old window, preparing the window frame, and carefully installing the new window, ensuring it's sealed and secured. Multiple windows. If you are replacing several windows at once, the timeline will naturally extend. A typical window replacement project involving 5 to 10 windows could take 1 to 2 days. However, if you are replacing windows in several rooms or on multiple floors, the timeline could extend to 3 days or longer. Complex installations. For more complex window styles, such as bay windows, picture windows, or windows with specialized frames, the installation may take a full day or longer. These windows often require more extensive framing or structural adjustments. Weather conditions and site accessibility. Weather conditions can also influence how long window replacement will take. For instance, heavy rain, snow, or extreme cold temperatures can delay the installation process, especially if outdoor work is required. West Columbia residents should be mindful of the time of year, as summer storms or winter chill can make outdoor work less predictable. The accessibility of your home also impacts the timeline. If you have multiple stories or windows located in difficult-to-reach areas, such as near a roof or in narrow spaces, it may take longer to safely install the windows. Post-installation cleanup. Once your new windows are installed, the cleanup process typically adds an extra hour or two to the project. The installation team will dispose of old windows, packaging materials, and other debris, ensuring that your home is left in good condition. Make sure to discuss whether cleanup is included in the project cost with your installer. Final inspection and adjustment. After the windows are installed, a final inspection is usually conducted to ensure that everything is sealed properly, functions correctly, and meets quality standards. Any necessary adjustments or touch-ups may be made during this step. This process typically takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Conclusion. Understanding the timeline for your window replacement project in West Columbia. On average, window replacement in West Columbia takes between 1 to 3 days, depending on the number of windows, the type of windows being installed, and other factors like weather conditions and accessibility. While the window installation itself may only take a few hours per window, custom orders and large-scale replacements can extend the overall timeline. To ensure your window replacement project goes smoothly and on time, it's important to work closely with a professional installation company, order windows well in advance, and prepare your home for the process. By planning ahead and discussing expectations with your installer, you'll be able to enjoy your new, energy-efficient windows without unnecessary delays.